Yes, first class student, very good morning to all. Are you all ready for the class? I hope everyone is eagerly waiting for the class, isn't it? First class children, are you ready with the class work? Okay, so yesterday which work we had completed? Yes, it is fill in the blanks. That before day we had completed give two examples. Okay, so how many exercises we had completed? Three. What are they? Hard words, give two examples, fill in the blanks, isn't it? So I hope today which exercise, let me start. Question answers are true or false. No, let me start from the question answer. Then later on we'll go with true or false. Okay. So be ready with your sharp pencil and just note down the question answers. Very neat handwriting, children. Okay. So concentrate while writing and with the spellings. Okay. Just you follow your teacher the way how I am writing on the board. You too must have to say and write. Spell the word, use the finger gap, and you should have to write. Okay. Don't pack the words because today you are going to write how many question answers? If it is possible, I will give you 3 or 2 question answers. Okay, fine. So I hope everyone is going to write very good handwriting. They are going to show the good performance in the classwork. Okay. So get ready. Now let me start the first question. Okay. What are trees? Now start with the capital letter, children. You should have to start with the capital letter. Okay. See, look at your first letter. Start. First line, second line, third line, fourth line. So teacher is using first 3 lines. Touch to first 3 lines W. Okay. Now I am going to write the split handwriting. It's not cursive. What are trees? What are trees? Okay. Spell the word A-R-E-R. Spell the word and write. What are A-R-E-R. Trees. Spell the word of trees. T-R-E-E-S. Trees. Question mark. Place the question mark after completing this question. Okay. So what are trees? Yes. You know what is the answer for this? What are trees? Yes. What is that? Very big and tall plants are called trees. Isn't it? This thing only we had learned, no? Yes. Very big and tall plants. Very. Spell the word of very. V-E-R-Y. Very. Big. B-I-G. Big. They are not small. Trees are small. No. They are very big. So you should have to say very big and they are tall plants. They are not very short. Okay. So they are tall plants. Spell the word of tall. T-A-L-L. Tall. Okay. Very big and tall plants. Spell the word of plants. P-L-A-N-T-S. Plants. Touch to the midline, upper stroke and down stroke. Follow the strokes, children. Okay. Don't write it upside down. Let me complete first question and answer. Then again I will write second question answer. Okay. So you follow the first answer. Very big and tall plants are called trees. Are called trees. C-A-L-L-E-D. Called. Okay. Trees. Spell the word of trees. T-R-E-E-S. Okay. Trees. Place the full stop. Come on, say what are trees? Yes. Very big and A-N-D and tall plants are called trees. Once again, say along with your teacher. Everyone should have to say. Okay. What are trees? Yes. What is the question? What are trees? So what are trees? They are very big. So how to say the answer? Very big. They are not very small. They are very big and tall plants. Okay. They are not only small. They are not short, but they are very tall. Okay. So you say, come on. V-E-R-Y. Very. B-I-G. Big. A-N-D and T-A-L-L. Tall. Take a second halt. Then again you go for the next word. Plants. P-L-A-N-T-S. Plants R A R E R, called C A L L E D, called, trees T R E E S, trees. Come on, say, very big and tall plants are called trees. Okay, so question one time, learn answer 3 times. Writing homework is 1 time. After this, soon after this class of 1 time, you write again once again answer. Okay, so it becomes 2 times answer. 1 time classwork, 1 time homework. Is it clear now? After this answer, again you should have to write 1 more time. Don't write the question. Only you write this answer 1 more time. Is it clear now? So I am going to the next question. Get ready. Get ready, children, for the second question. What are herbs? Now teacher is not going to draw the line. Okay. So without line I am going to write. Get ready, children. The second question is, what are shrubs? Again, no lines. I didn't draw any lines. So please follow the strokes. Okay. Sometimes teacher will draw the lines, otherwise I won't draw. If I didn't draw, you don't write clumsy. Try to write the same way. Okay. What are herbs? What are herbs? They are bushy plants. No, teacher. Yes. Then what are they? Tell me. What are herbs? They are very small plants, isn't it? They are very small plants. So how to write the answer? Come on, say. Very small plants. You can write very small and weak plants are called herbs. Very small and, place the finger gap, children. After each and every word, place the finger gap. Very small and weak plants are called herbs. Are called just say and write. Are called very small and weak plants are called herbs. Are called herbs. What are herbs? Very small and weak plants are called herbs. Very small and weak plants are called herbs. Spell the word of very. V-E-R-Y, very. Small, S-M-A-L-L, small. A-N-D, and weak. They are not strong, isn't it? Herbs are very strong. No, teacher, they are very weak plants. Okay, tell me any example. Can you able to say? Can you able to give any example? Yes, teacher. What are they? Coriander, mint, tulsi. I had given so many examples, isn't it? So coriander is also very small plant, and mint also is very small plants, and they are not only small but they are weak plants. So very small and weak plants are called herbs, isn't it? Is it clear, all of you? So come on, write very neatly. Come on, say, what are herbs? Very small and very small and weak plants are called herbs. Very small and weak plants are called herbs. So learn question one time, answer 3 times. Question one time, answer 3 times. Okay. Now next question is, name any 4 climbers. Name any 4 climbers. Name any 4 climbers. What are the climbers? Any 4 climbers you can say? Yes. What are they? Money plant, pea plant. Yes. So many are there, isn't it? Now let me go for this. So tell me now. Money plant. Spell the word of money plant. Money plant. M-O-N-E-Y. Money. P-L-A-N-T. Plant. Money plant. Pea plant. Name any 3 climbers. This is enough for you, not 4. Name any 3 climbers. Okay. Name pea plant. P-E-A-P. P-L-A-N-T plant. Grape, grape. Vine, vine. Grapevine. Is it clear, all of you? So tell me the name any three climbers. What are they? Money plant, pea plant, grapevine. Come on, say money plant, pea plant, grapevine. So spell the word of money plant. M-O-N-E-Y, money. P-L-A-N-T, plant. Money plant. Pea plant spelling. P-E-A-P. P-L-A-N-T, plant. Pea plant. Spell the word of grapevine. G-R-A-P-E, grape. V-I-N-E, vine. Grapevine. Okay. So, learn like this. Spell the word and write. Name any three climbers. Money plant, pea plant, grapevine. Money plant, pea plant, grapevine. Okay. So, you should have to say like this 3 times and should have to practice more and more. Is it clear, children, all of you? So, I gave only 3 question answers. How many question answers I gave? I gave only 3 question answers. So, you should have to write very neat handwriting, isn't it? So, what I mean to say, if you write good handwriting, you will understand. If you write dirty handwriting, you won't understand. So, please children, follow the good handwriting and write neatly in your classwork notebook. Don't write very clumsy and don't make it any rubbish work in the classwork. Write question 1 time, answer 2 times. Question 1 time, answer 2 times. Question 1 time, answer 2 times. Okay. Is it clear, all of you? Answer 2 times. Question 1 time, answer 2 times. This is the homework for you all. Okay, first class children, today I gave only 3. Tomorrow again I will give you 3 question answers. Okay. So you follow this question answers and you write it very neatly in the classwork, children. I hope this class is very clear for my first class. They will do very neatly, isn't it? So please spell the word, learn and write question 1 time, answer 2 times, children. Okay. Thank you, children. First class, take care. Bye-bye.